Okay, that worked better than I thought it was going to. Um, this screw is just coming out by hand, so I am going to try and take it apart, I guess. So I'm going to leave that seated a little bit. These looks like they've been stripped out, but they look deep enough and big enough. They come right out. That's a number 3. Wow, interesting. Let's see what this looks like. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Wow, look at that. Wonder if that's supposed to be grease in there. Oh yeah, that's grease. I don't have any grease to put back in there, but that's pretty cool. Oh, and there's a ball bearing right there for the switch. Oh, I just fucked that up. There's a spring under the ball for the switch. Okay, well, since I don't have any grease, I'm just going to leave that together. That's pretty cool, though. Oh, fucked it up. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that's got to go down. Now I really did fuck up. There we go. Uh-oh. Maybe not. Mistakes were made. Well, fucking broke it. Oh, that wasn't good either. Oh, that ball comes right out the back hole. Okay. Ball on a spring. Push that down. Okay, that's lined up. Put that head on. Probably ought to flip it over. Mash that ball down. Put that screw in. Please work. Oh, I fucking gotta put the gears in, I guess, huh? Stupid. Okay, at least I, at least I know how. Fuck, that came right way off of there. All right, we're gonna get this. Gears in, balls in place. The head is on. Main screw. Push that down. That came right through that time. Sort of. Shit. Got it. I could probably match those screws if I wanted to. That's not that tough. If I put new grease in there, that'll be kind of nice. Maybe someday I'll do a restoration video and clean this up all the way to shiny. Because that's not bad from what it started as.